Today we'll talk about how can you select primary language on your Bluesky app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here, you go above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do next, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, then you click here on languages here, just click on it. You come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You come here to primary language, click in this sign here, and here can you select your primary language here in this list. So that's all you have to do to select it on your Bluesky app. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.